Hello crafty friends, my name's Alicia, but you can call me Crafty Al, and I'm here today to do a recap of my Spring 2025 Advent Livestream series and tell you how you can enter your secret words to win one of 2 Easter Advent calendars I have to give away. Welcome, or perhaps welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here today. In April, I went live on the days leading up to and following Easter to open and share with you the Gummiapan 2025 Easter Advent Calendar. Now, if you weren't there for the live streams or haven't watched the replays yet, make sure to check out the link in the description box below for the playlist or the end card at the end of this video. You do still have time to watch those videos and collect those secret words. Today, I'm going to show you all of the goodies that came in the Advent calendar, and we'll take another look at all of the daily creations that I made. Now, don't forget, if you were there live, you might have won one of those daily creations, and as soon as this video is recorded and uploaded, I will be sending those out. Once we do that recap, I'm going to tell you how you can enter the secret words that you were collecting to win one of 2 Easter Advent calendars. I have one here in front of me that I will be sending to a US or international minus Europe subscriber, and then Gummiapan will be sending one out to a European subscriber. I would like to take a minute to shout out Vivica of Color Me Nordic. She is a retailer for Gummiapan here in the US, and she did sponsor the live stream series. She not only sent me the Advent calendar that I opened and shared daily on screen, but the extra to give away to one of you. So make sure, if you are in the market for Gummiapan or Hangler Stangler stamps and products, that you check out her store. I will have it linked in the description box below, and while those aren't affiliate links, if you do put in the order notes that Call Me Crafty Al sent me, just to let her know that you found her through me, and who knows, maybe she'll keep doing sponsorships here on my channel. Not only did she send me the extra calendar to give away, but she also arranged with Gummiapan over in Europe to get a calendar for one of our European subscribers. Again, thank you so much, Vivica, for all of that. This live stream series was interactive, which means not only did viewers get to help me make decisions on what I would be creating with during the series, but then each of the daily live streams, I tried to do at least 1 or 2 polls to let live viewers help me make decisions on what I would do for that day's creations. Why don't we go ahead and take a look at the decisions that were made during the kickoff, which affected the entire series. If you've been around my channel long, you all know that I love color cube cards from Sarah Renae Clark. During the kickoff, live viewers had a choice between 3 different color cubes, and that would be the color palette I used for the entire series. The reason I do this is it just narrows down the choices I have to make each day. If you watch my Advent live stream over the holiday season last December, I did the same thing. The card that was chosen by live viewers was card number 434. So during that stream, we chose the card, and then I picked out the Tailored Expressions inks that I thought matched this best. And those were Jelly Donut, Gumdrop, Spearmint, Pineapple, and Honey. So as you see all of the creations today, you will notice those colors used throughout. Some days I used all of those, some days I used just a couple. Now, if you're interested in finding out more about color cube cards, make sure to check out the description box below. I have a link to the box set, but they do also have digital versions. Now, that link is an affiliate link, so I will make a small portion of that sale at no extra cost to you. Also during that kickoff, live viewers helped me choose what kind of project I would make each day. Again, just narrowing down those choices I have to make. Their options were a Rolodex card, a tag, or a postage stamp. And the postage stamp did win, and 7 of the 8 days you will see that used, and there was one day that was a little bit different, and I think you'll understand why once we take a look at those projects. Let me know which project you would have voted for if you were there live down in that comment section below. To cut the postage stamp shapes each day, I used this postage edge squares die set from Spellbinders, and for this size, I used the second from smallest set. The Gummiapan 2025 Easter Advent Calendar came in this black envelope, and inside were 8 envelopes that had different dies each day. If you've never heard of Gummiapan before, it was new to me as well. For my December 2024 Advent Livestream series, my crafty friend from the Netherlands, Helga, aka Creabea, sent me their holiday Advent calendar, and as we opened that each day, myself and my viewers fell in love with the fun dies that were in the calendar. Well, when I found out that they were going to have a spring or Easter Advent calendar, I jumped right on it. Now, if you want to know when they release their holiday advent calendar for 2025, make sure to sign up for my email list or the Color Me Nordic one if you're here in the US. Down below in the description box, I have a link for you to sign up for my email list as well as Color Me Nordic. Oh my goodness, crafty friends, I have some exciting breaking news for you. I already uploaded and scheduled this video, and a couple hours later I got a message from Vivica of Color Me Nordic that you can now pre-order the Gummiapan 2025 Christmas calendars. This year they have the 31-day like last year that I opened, and they also have a special one called the Goodie Calendar, which has mini dies. I will have a link to the page you see on screen now down in the description box below for you to check it out. Once you do your pre-order, when you go to checkout, please let Vivica know in those special instructions that Call Me Crafty Al sent you. Now, I don't know if you can yet pre-order from the European site. I will link gummiapan.com down below, and you can keep your eye out for a pre-order there. Up on screen now is a look at all of the dies that I received in the Gummiapan 2024 Christmas Advent Calendar. Unlike some others, all of theirs are dies and they are exclusive to the calendar. Let me know down in that comment section if you were new to Gummiapan as well. Now let's do a little recap of my Easter Advent Livestream series by reopening each of the daily gifts, and then I'll share a look with you at what I created for that day. Don't forget, if you missed out on any of those, you can check out the playlist linked in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed getting another look at each of the daily gifts and the projects that I made each day. Let me know down in that comment section below which day's gift was your favorite and which day's project was your favorite. Now let me tell you how you can enter those secret words you collected for a chance to win one of the 2 Gummiapan Easter Advent calendars. Okay, now you're going to want to make sure that you have all of your secret words handy, whether you use the tracker that I provided or a post-it note or notebook of your own. Down at the bottom of the description box below is a link to a Google form. Whether you are entering for the European only or the rest of the world Advent calendar, you're going to fill out that same form. You will have until midnight on May 11th to fill it out. Once that form is closed, it will take me a little bit to get all of the entries counted, and I hope to be back with a live stream to announce the lucky winners somewhere around May 20th. Now with those dates, keep in mind you do still have time to watch the series in case you missed them all or you missed a couple days. Let's go ahead and take a look at how you're going to fill that form out. When you click on the form link in the description box below, a page similar to this will pop up. Make sure to read that whole couple paragraphs right at the top because it does have some more information, including the rules. If you have any questions about it, my email address is up here. Otherwise, you can go ahead and scroll down and start filling this out. For your YouTube username, you're going to put what pops up when you're chatting or you leave a comment, and then make sure to give me your first name and your email address. Now, the winners will have another claim form when I announce it, and you'll have to make sure that the email address and your mailing address from this form match what you claim it with. I will only use this email address to reach out if I have any questions about your form or your address if you are one of the lucky winners. Next, you'll type in your mailing address, including your full name. Please make sure, this is especially important for international subscribers, that you separate what should go on each line of the envelope with a comma, because I know different countries format their envelopes different ways, so I want to make sure that it gets to the right person. Next, you're going to let me know where in the world you are located. I know that you just gave me your mailing address, but this is going to help me separate the entries later on the spreadsheet. And now, if you're ready to enter your secret words, click yes and then tap the next button. This page is where you will enter your daily live stream words, so just the standard secret words that I gave each day. Now, spelling does not matter, but you do need to make sure that you have the correct word on the correct day. Now, you'll see here I'm just putting in the word word just so you can see me fill it out. You don't necessarily have to have a word for each day. If you miss some, you will just fill out all the words you collected, and then at the bottom, let us know if you have any bonus secret words, and if you don't, you will just skip the next page. For any bonus secret words that you have, you're going to enter them all on this one entry, and I want you to separate each bonus secret word with a comma. So you'll see here on screen, I put word 1, comma, space, word 2, comma, space, and so on. Now these don't need to be in any particular order as long as you add those commas. Once you've entered all of your bonus secret words, you'll click on the next button. On the next page is where you'll enter your channel member bonus word if you are a channel member. Please keep in mind this is different than being a subscriber to my channel. Members are subscribers who support me financially each month. If you are a member, you'll click yes. If you're not, click no and then skip to the next page. If you are a member, you'll let me know what your current membership level is, glue stick, die cut, or paper trimmer, and next to each one is the monthly price if that helps you. Now I do want you to take special note. If you look and you see these prices are not what you're paying, that probably means that you signed up on an iPhone or an iPad and Apple is actually charging you extra and taking that. So if I were you, I would go ahead and cancel your membership, and then once your current term is up, re-sign up and make sure to use a laptop, a desktop, or an Android device. You can always reach out if you need more information or help on that. On the next question, you're going to let me know what is the bonus word for your level. Now, these bonus words can be found on the membership tab, which is linked here on the form, and you'll want to scroll down until you see graphics like I am showing on screen now. Please keep in mind that the higher levels, so die cut and paper trimmer, can see the words for the levels below them. You'll scroll down to the graphic that represents your current membership level and then click on Read More to see your secret bonus word. Again, I can't do that here on screen since everybody can see this video. When you have your member bonus word, you'll enter it on the form and then click Next. This page is the last on the form. You'll want to make sure everything is filled out exactly like you want it. Each person can only submit one form, and if you are ready to submit, click on Yes and then click Submit. You'll want to make sure that you get this page that says your response has been recorded, and even though it says submit another response, that is not okay. There's just no way for me to keep that from happening without having you have to sign in and collecting email addresses. So just make sure you get this, and please do not submit any more forms. Additional ones under the same email address and mailing address will be deleted. Make sure if you have any questions on that form to reach out before you fill it out. My email address is on the form and toward the bottom of the description box below. Thanks again to Vivica and Gummiapan for not only an awesome advent calendar, but for these prizes. Thanks also to all of you who took the time to watch those videos. I had a great time and hope that you did too. If you did, as always, a thumbs up is appreciated. Good luck in the giveaway, and until my next video, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye. Did you think I was going to let you get away without giving you one more secret bonus word? As a thank you and a bonus for watching this far on the recap and rules video, I have one more bonus secret word for you, and that is recap. R-E-C-A-P. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch all the way to the end of the video. I hope now you'll consider clicking on one of the videos or playlists I have linked above. And if you are interested in any of the products or tools I used in today's video, I do have some links in the description box below.